know you're tired tonight, still you smile and hold us tight. Even when your body aches, you give us all the strength you make. Every day you work so hard, hiding all your battle scars. You gave your dreams and let them go, just so we could rise and grow. Oh, the tears you hide away build a brighter days today. Mama, thank you for your love. You were sent from up above. Every pain you went through too was to give us something new. When the nights were cold and long, you were there to keep us strong. Now I pray you finally see you mean everything to me. There were times you stayed up late, working hard without a break. Even hungry, even weak, still you stood up every week. You forgot the things you wanted, just so we could chase our moments. All the sacrifices made can never truly be repaid. Mama, thank you for your heart, loving us right from the start. If one day your strength feels scarred, we'll be here to carry on. Know your love and honesty made us who we are to be, and if forever we will say thank you, Mom, every day. Every day. Mama, thank you for your love. You were sent from up above. Every pain you went through too was a gift.